In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a video or image sequence and trace it frame by frame for clean animation. We'll start by bringing your reference into the project. Head to the File menu, choose Load Level, and pick either your video file, like an AVI or MOV, or the very first image in a numbered sequence. If you're using a sequence, the software will automatically detect and stack the rest in order. Once it's loaded, you'll see it appear in the X sheet as its own column. Think of this as your reference layer. You won't draw on it directly. If your project has a specific frame rate, it's a good idea to confirm that the video or sequence plays back at the speed you expect, so your tracing matches the timing. Next, create a clean space to draw. Right-click on a column header, choose New Level, and decide between vector or raster. Vector is great if you want crisp, scalable lines that are easy to edit, while raster feels more like traditional drawing with a textured, sketchy quality. Name your level so you can keep things organized, and make sure it's in a column above the reference so your strokes appear on top. This new level is where all your tracing will happen. Before you start drawing, make the reference easier to see through. Select the video's column and lower its opacity until your strokes will stand out comfortably. You want the action visible but faint enough that your own lines are the focus. This small adjustment reduces eye strain and helps you judge line clarity and contrast. Now it's time to trace frame by frame. Choose the brush or pencil tool depending on the look you're after. Position yourself on the first frame of the reference and draw directly over the shapes you want to follow. Keep your line weight consistent and use zoom and pan to capture details without wobble. Move through the frames in the X sheet one at a time, repeating the tracing process. Many artists like to rough in the main forms first, then refine on a second pass while staying in the same drawing level. If your software provides onion skinning, it can help you compare neighboring frames to maintain smooth motion, but it's optional. Clarity and consistency are the priority. Remember to use undo liberally if a line doesn't feel right, and save frequently so you don't lose progress. As you advance through the sequence, pause occasionally to scrub back and forth and check the flow. Clean arcs, stable proportions, and matching landmarks will keep your animation believable. When you've traced all the frames you need, you'll have a solid, hand-drawn pass built right on top of your reference.